Excellent. So I think we should get started. Thank you everyone for joining for this last final 2020 edition of the ELLIS Health workshop. So on behalf of myself and Christoph Bock, we would really like to welcome you all. And because we have quite a number of people from outside ELLIS and ELLIS Health, we also just have like just 3 slides, what ELLIS is about and why we're doing this, and maybe how you can also get engaged in ELLIS. So I just want to keep this brief. ELLIS has been really formed as a community activity, as the European Laboratory for Intelligent Systems has 3 major aims: to attract talent, to foster regional machine learning ecosystems in different sites, and several of those are also represented in ELLIS Health, and also to bring Europe's leading AI hotspots together. And ELLIS has a number of different components, and this workshop is not the only one of them, obviously. So I just have here one slide that I borrowed from Bernhard Schöckhoff about the ELLIS organization. There's different sites and units that are now being formed. There's a postdoc program, a PhD program, a strong component of industrial partners, and this is where it becomes exciting. There are a number of ELLIS programs. This is the current set of ELLIS programs that cover virtually all domains of applications of AI, including ELLIS Health. And this is really what you are hearing about today. This is this community workshop that we're holding here today and that we have represented here. So ELLIS Health has a number of missions, initiatives. You also see the members of the program, and actually we're at the moment also looking for new members. So if anybody is interested, this is also an opportunity to raise interest. We want to promote, obviously, the ELLIS vision, but also create new applications of AI, machine learning, in methods development, foster training in all areas and career stages, and demonstrate the impact of AI in machine learning and beyond. There's been a number of initiatives. I just want to mention here one. ELLIS Health, we've been co-chairing the ELLIS activity against COVID. There's been, I think, 7 editions, if I remember correctly. And actually what we are also planning is to make this workshop more general in areas that are relevant for health. And maybe this is the first one, to take on this and really be also broader outreach in health and machine learning for ELLIS. And this is all we really wanted to say, and to not lose more time. This is remind everyone of the program. We have really here 3 excellent external speakers. We're very delighted. 2 US colleagues and Jonas Peter from Copenhagen. And then we have, as usual, 2 talks from our labs, Britta Wilton from my group, and Niklas Fartolini, who's been with Christoph Bock, and will present some of their ongoing work.